storm hit around 12 o'clock. We got water on the first floor by 12:15.
Once the storm moved through, there was a loss of communication. There was no communication at all.
Well, we've been down here for a few days now, and I haven't spoken to my wife in 3 days.
Around 7 or 8 that night, I stepped out on the balcony, and out of nowhere, AT&T service was up. And I was able to make contact with my brother and let him know that we were safe and we were okay.
With the exception of probably Puerto Rico, this is by far the worst damage I've seen. Several times over the last couple of days, we've provided people with service, and the look on their face and the warmth in their heart as they were able to reach out to family and friends and let them know that they were okay. Watching that was just an amazing feeling.
I had to borrow somebody's phone. Guess what? It was AT&T, and I was able to communicate with my wife. It's been great to see how certain companies are able to come in and get things going and taking care of things that need to be taken care of so that people can communicate. I'm sorry.
I mean, y'all are lifesavers, really are.
You're the only ones. That's it. You're the only ones that are here. And that's awesome.
Would you like to make a call?
I would. Hopefully she answers. This comes my wife.
Hello, this is Ginger.
Hey, baby. It's I'm calling from an AT&T phone. It's good to hear your voice.